In this quick LeadPages tutorial, we're going to walk you through creating an effective online course sales page in LeadPages. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to get a better grip on its features, stick with me until the end because I'll also be revealing a competitor that might work better for your needs. First, let's jump right into LeadPages and create a fresh page. Open up the LeadPages dashboard and select Create New Landing Page. Choose a template that suits an online course. You'll find that LeadPages offers a variety of layouts designed for sales pages, but make sure the template has a clean, simple design. You don't want anything too busy, remember. The goal is to convert visitors into students, and too many distractions will kill that flow. Next thing, let's customize the header. This is your chance to grab attention. You want a headline that speaks directly to your target audience. Think about what problem your course solves and express that clearly. A strong headline like, "Unlock your full potential with our exclusive online course," is better than something generic. Keep your subheading concise and aligned with the headline, offering a clear value proposition. The fourth thing you'll want to focus on is the course description. This is where you briefly explain what your course offers and how it will benefit your potential students. Use bullet points to make the features and outcomes easy to digest. Don't make it too long, people are browsing fast, so keep it snappy but informative. LeadPages allows you to add images or videos here, which can help increase engagement, but be mindful of load times. Now, let's talk about the most important section, your call to action. This is where LeadPages really shines. Drag in a CTA button that stands out, use a color that contrasts with your background, and use clear, action-oriented text like "Start learning today" or "Enroll now." Ensure it's above the fold, so visitors don't have to scroll down to take action. Make sure it's visible throughout the page, add a sticky button if you can. Then, next thing, let's set up the payment section. LeadPages integrates with Stripe, PayPal, and other payment processors, which is perfect for accepting course enrollments. Set up your payment form directly on the page for a seamless user experience. Remember, the less friction you create, the more likely people are to sign up. After that, the next thing you'll want to check is mobile responsiveness. This is huge because a significant portion of your audience will likely come from mobile devices. LeadPages has built-in mobile optimization, but always double-check that everything looks good on smaller screens. Finally, let's wrap it up with an exclusive tip. While LeadPages is a solid platform for creating an online course sales page, there are other tools out there that could work even better, depending on your needs. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing an alternative that could help you create a more customized and high-converting page with a better user experience, plus an extended free trial exclusive to our viewers. Remember, this video showed you exactly how to create an online course sales page in LeadPages. However, for the specific goal of maximizing your course conversions, I recommend exploring other tools that might be a better fit. The link in the description will give you the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits not available anywhere else. Check it out and see for yourself.